Joe said, no. There you go, good. Canter to the end and then back down the trot again. But keep that forward trot coming to the line. Good. 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Beautiful. Oh my God. I love that horse. Good. Chin up, chin up. Nice. Stay in your heel. Stay in your heel. Good job. That's enough.
Buddy.